First of all, guys, take a look at this channel. This channel is literally playing in the millions of dollars. If you scroll through their videos, you'll see insane numbers. 39 million views, 32 million views. Almost every single video is hitting millions. And the crazy part is, it's a simple cartoon animation channel posting the same style of content consistently and still generating massive income. Now, if we talk about the numbers, this channel currently has over 12.1 million subscribers with only around 505 videos uploaded. Yes, just 505 videos. And when it comes to earnings in the last 30 days alone, it has generated approximately $315,000 to $15,000 plus. Yearly, we're talking about millions and potentially scaling toward billion-level revenue streams through content and reach. In just the last 30 days, they gained over 100,000 subscribers and pulled in around 94 million views. Now here's the interesting part. The videos you're seeing right now on your screen, I actually created them using just one AI tool, an all-in-one AI platform that includes AI chat, AI image generator, AI video generator, AI writer, script generator, and deep search. Everything in one place. And yes, this entire video you're watching right now was created using that same tool. So let me walk you through the complete tutorial of this powerful platform step by step. I'll drop the official link in the description. All you have to do is click and land directly on HIX AI. Now, what makes this tool powerful is that HIX AI is an all-in-one AI platform, meaning all the tools you need are integrated into one place. As you can see on the screen, HIX AI chat interface where you'll notice models like Gemini 3.1 Pro already available. When you click on it, you unlock access to multiple top-tier AI models, including Google Gemini 3.1 Pro, Gemini 3.1 Flash, Gemini 2.5, OpenAI ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek AI, and Grok AI. So instead of switching between platforms, you get all major AI models inside one dashboard, including both the latest and older versions. Now let's move to AI video. When you click on AI video and select models, you'll find multiple powerful video generation engines such as HIX AI Video, Model 2.5, Google VO, OpenAI Sora, Runway ML, Pixverse, Kling AI models, Luma AI, ByteDance Seed, and many more. You can generate both text to video and image to video directly inside the platform. HIX AI image generation, where you get access to models like HIX AI image models, Google Imagen and Nano Banana Pro, OpenAI DALL-E, Midjourney style generation, Stable Diffusion, Kling AI, Flux, ByteDance Seed, and Qwen AI. This allows you to create high-quality thumbnails, posters, and visuals easily. Now let's talk about AI slides. With AI slides, you can automatically generate professional presentations for education, business, or marketing. You just enter a topic or idea, and it creates a complete presentation using Nano Banana Pro with structured content and consistent design. HIX AI Writer, where you can generate engaging articles, Amazon product descriptions, step-by-step guides, and product comparisons. It supports both short-form and long-form content, along with different writing styles. And finally, deep search. This feature scans information across the internet and provides refined, accurate, and well-structured results, often better than standard AI responses. Now let's start the actual process. First of all, you need to land on the home screen. What we are going to do is use the AI chat feature inside HIX AI to generate image prompts and video prompts, because our main focus today is image and video generation. You need to go to the model section where you will see Gemini 3.1 Pro. From there, select a model. You will find multiple models like Google Gemini, OpenAI ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Grok, and others. For this demo, I will use ChatGPT. I open it and select the latest model, GPT 5.4 Pro. After selecting the model, I take some reference screenshots to guide the AI. Then I go to the prompt box and paste a high-quality master prompt where I define everything, including a consistent character, 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, cinematic style, funny elements, and the same background style. I also include detailed character instructions. Then I click on Generate. This process may take around 210 credits. Make sure you are logged in using your Google account. Now the generation starts, and within a few moments, the prompts are ready. As you can see, the prompts are now generated. The AI has created a full story, maintained a consistent character, ensured background consistency, and generated 10 image prompts along with 10 video prompts. The quality is extremely high and comparable to ChatGPT's original platform. Now moving to image generation. Keep your prompts ready, go to a new chat, push and select AI image. Then choose a model, for example, Google Nano Banana Pro. You can also select other models like DALL-E, Midjourney style models, Stable Diffusion, Flux, or others. After selecting the model, choose the image ratio such as 9:16, set the resolution to 2K, and keep the output to one image. Then upload a reference image from the same style. After that, copy the first image prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the image will be ready. As you can see, the result is extremely high quality with detailed textures and perfect character consistency. Download the image and repeat the same process for the next prompts. Upload the reference again, keep the same model, paste the next prompt, and generate. The second image is now ready and again looks consistent and high quality. You can also experiment with different models like Nano Banana Pro 2 or Kling AI. Select the model, adjust the ratio and resolution, paste the prompt, and generate. The results may slightly vary in colors or aspect ratio, but overall quality remains strong. For best consistency, especially for video creation, it is recommended to stick with one model like Nano Banana Pro. Repeat this process for all prompts. As you can see, all images are now ready, highly consistent, visually engaging, and perfect for animation-style content. Now the next step is video generation, and we will create those videos using the same platform. Now let's generate the video, guys. What you need to do is go back to the home screen. Once you're on the home screen, select AI Video. After that, the first step is to select a model. Here you will see multiple options like text to video, frame to video, and image to video. For this tutorial, we will use image to video, which is the last option. Simply click on it. Now you will see different models available. First, upload your image, then select the aspect ratio and confirm. After that, choose a model. You will find multiple models here, including Google models, OpenAI models, Runway, Kling AI, and others. First, I will select a Google model, specifically Google Veo 3.1 Fast, and generate a video with it. Later, we will test other models as well. After selecting the model, choose your ratio, select the quality, set the duration, and define the output. Once everything is set, simply click on Generate. As you can see, the generation has started, and within a short time, your video will be ready. Now here is the result in front of you. The video was generated in around 2 to 3 minutes. You can preview it, and as you can see, the result looks amazing. It feels very realistic, almost like a real animated cartoon. The motion, visuals, and overall quality are very impressive. Now let's generate another video. This time I select OpenAI Sora 2. After that, I choose the ratio as 9:16 and set the resolution to 720p. Then I upload the next image. After that, I go back, copy the video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. The generation has started, and within about a minute, the video will be ready. Now, as you can see, the second video is ready, and it looks super amazing and very professional. The quality is excellent. Now, for the third video, we follow the same process again. This time, I will use Kling AI 2.6. I select the ratio, set the duration to 10 seconds, and note that it uses around 92 credits for a 10-second video. Then I upload the image, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. The generation starts, and shortly the video is ready. Here is the result. The video looks very professional and realistic. However, this time it did not generate sound. Sometimes certain models may not include audio, but the visual quality is still excellent. You can simply download the video. Now again, upload the next image, and this time use Pixverse. Select the model, choose the ratio as 9:16, set the resolution to 720p, upload the image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, the next video has started generating and will be ready shortly. Now the video is ready and it looks very beautiful and engaging. Although the result is slightly optimized, it still looks great. Again, no sound in this one, but visually it's very strong. Now I will generate 1 or 2 more videos using different models like Sora and others just for testing. The process is the same. Select the model, choose the ratio, upload the image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, the generation has started, and here is the result. The video looks amazing. The output is very impressive. Now again, generating the next video with the same process. As you can see, it is being generated and will be ready in a few moments. And here is the final result. It looks beautiful and highly engaging. All of these videos have been generated using HIX AI. So guys, as you can see, all our videos are now ready. This is the complete process, and you can see how powerful these tools are, from image generation to video creation. Now you can take these videos and edit them in tools like CapCut or any other editing software, and then upload them to YouTube or other platforms. Now let's explore a few more features of this AI tool. Go back to the home page, and here you will find AI slides. As I mentioned earlier, you can use this to generate presentations. Whether it's for business or education, you simply enter a topic, and it will automatically generate a full presentation using Nano Banana Pro, including images and structured content. You can also see an example on the screen showing how professional the presentation looks. Next, we have AI writing. The process is similar. This tool is mainly used for generating product articles, comparisons, guides, and structured content. It supports both regular text and long-form content, making it very useful for content creation. And finally, the last agent tool is Deep Search. This is a very powerful and popular feature. Deep Search collects information from across the internet and provides you with a refined and accurate final result. It uses around 70 credits, and you can ask it anything or generate detailed research-based answers. So today we learned how to generate prompts, create images, and produce videos using HIX AI. As you can see, this is one of the best all-in-one AI tools available. If you use it for free, you will get limited credits, but if you upgrade to the unlimited plan, you will get full access to all features. HIX AI Unlimited plan is $14.99 per month annually, which is cheaper than paying for ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month alone, and you get AI video, image, slides, writing, and all top models in one place, using the link in the top of the description and also in the pinned comment. Try it yourself, generate images and videos, create content, upload it on YouTube, and make your workflow easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.